Welcome, welcome to RG Skill the Versatile World. Dear student, today I'll explain from question number 7. So question number 7 is given, which of the following is not correct? So here, a sigma bond is weaker than pi bond, a sigma bond is stronger than pi bond, a double bond is stronger than single bond, a double bond is shorter than a single bond. So at first we will know concept related to this. So concept, sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by coaxial overlapping of orbitals. Coaxial overlapping of orbitals. So if I write for sigma bond, coaxial SS orbitals overlapping, SP orbitals overlapping, and PP orbitals overlapping. This is sigma bond. If I talk about pi bond, so collateral overlapping, or we can say sideways overlapping. And sigma bond is a stronger bond. Sigma bond is strong and pi bond is a weak bond. Why? Here maximum overlapping and here not maximum overlapping. Here maximum extent of overlapping. So due to this stronger bond, also we can understand on the basis of S percentage. S percentage directly proportional to electronegativity. If electronegativity increases, bond strength increases. If bond strength increases, bond length decreases. So for this one, I am taking one example, CH4 and CH2 double bond CH2. So in this carbon is sp3 hybridized because carbon, hydrogen, 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 and here CH double bond CH. So just you can see here sigma 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 sp3 hybridized. Here sigma sigma pi sigma sp2 also here, this one is sp2. Why? Sigma sigma. So 3 sigma sp2. So you can see here S percentage for this one 1 by 4 into 100, 25%, and here S percentage 33.33%, 1 by 3 into 100. So now you can solve. So S percentage, if S percentage more, electronegativity more. If electronegativity more, bond strength more. Bond strength increases, bond length decreases. Simply here we can say, so which one is? So also I told you sigma bond is a stronger bond, but here option first is given a sigma bond is weaker than, so this one is incorrect. Directly we can say here sigma bond is stronger than pi bond, correct. A double bond is stronger than a single bond. A double bond is stronger than single bond. So here you can see double bond 33.33% S percentage. So electronegativity increases. If electronegativity increases, bond strength increases. So double bond is stronger than single bond. This one also correct. A double bond is shorter. If bond strength increases, bond length decreases. So this one is also correct. So option C is incorrect. Only option C is incorrect. After that, next question. Next question is very simple. Here you can see pick the correct match of molecules in column A with the number of carbon sigma bond, carbon hydrogen sigma bond, and carbon pi bond. Just need to check. So here just see, I can write for this one CH triple bond CH double bond CH. Now for first, here sigma pi sigma pi sigma sigma pi sigma 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 sigma. So at first carbon carbon sigma 1. So carbon carbon sigma 1, as you can see we have 1 2 3 4. So here 4 sigma 1. So you can see option B and C having 4 sigma 1, and here also second is also same. Here you have 4 4 and 6 6. So need to check carbon carbon pi bond because both are same, so no need to check. So here directly check this one. So carbon carbon pi bond. So here how many carbon carbon pi bond? 1 2 3. So which one is correct? This. So for first you can say C. So now this option eliminate. Here first B and D. For B and D, first C. Now second E and second B. So directly check for second. Second here CS2 given. For second I am writing for second. CH double bond C double bond H CS3 H. So here sigma sigma pi sigma 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 sigma. So here check carbon carbon sigma bond. So carbon carbon sigma bond 1 2 3. So 3 sigma. So this option eliminate, this option eliminate. So here D and E. So just check in D. So here this one same, also this one same. So directly need to check carbon carbon pi bond. So here carbon carbon pi bond 2. So this one is correct. For second E. Here B is given. So this option eliminated. Option B is correct. For this one option B. Next for 9. Just you can see for 9 this is also very simple. Here given new hydrocarbon contain tertiary. New hydrocarbons contain tertiary carbon atom. And here whenever a carbon atom is bonded to 3 carbon atom is tertiary. So here we need to know N iso neo. So N iso neo. N we can say for N for state chain. N for state chain. And iso when one methyl group is attached to second or second last carbon atom is known iso. And neo when two methyl group attached to second or second last. So this is neo. So this is neo hydrocarbon. And for this one you can check. This is primary. This is also primary. This is primary, and this is 4th degree. So here no tertiary carbon atom present. So this one is incorrect. But this one is correct. Whenever carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon. So here you can see this is 3 degree. This is 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. This is 3 degree. So which one option is correct? So for this one you can say D. Next here given cycloheptatrienyl is aromatic. So for question number this one 10 cycloheptatrienyl. So write structure of cycloheptatrienyl. This one just count at first 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes. So here if I write like this one double bond here if positive charge. Okay, here if I write cycloheptatrinyl cation or anion, we can write cation, also we can write anion. So suppose at first cation. So for aromatic, you know about aromatic compound. So at first aromatic compound, aromatic compound. So condition for aromatic compound should be cyclic. Second, compound should be planar, or we can say nearly planar. Here each atom should be sp or sp2 hybridized. No matter here carbon atom present or nitrogen, oxygen, no matter. But you can say sp or sp2 hybridized. Third condition, complete resonance. Complete resonance. Complete resonance. And fourth, odd pair of pi electron. Odd pair of pi electrons. So here you can check, this is cyclic compound. Yes, planar, carbon, 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 carbon. So here all carbon are sp or sp2. So here this carbon sp2, 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 sp2. This carbon also sp2. For this one, here you can understand about this one. If system A double bond B and C having positive charge, then C is either sp or sp2 hybridized, or along C geometry will be planar. Geometry will be planar. So this one, first condition fulfilled, second fulfilled. Next, complete resonance, pi, sigma, pi, and here pi sigma positive charge. Also from this side, pi sigma positive charge. So complete resonance. So you can say A is true, and aromatic molecules have high thermodynamic stability. So here for this one you can say yes, aromatic molecules have high thermodynamic stability. Just here you need to know also about this one. Aromatic compound is most stable. Thermodynamic stability. Molecules having aromatic. After that, non-aromatic stability order. Non-aromatic. After that, anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic compound is most unstable. Most unstable. So this one is also correct. This one correct. This one correct. But here we can say option B, both A and R is true. Both A and R true. But R is not correct explanation of A. So for this one, B. Next question. Question number 11. So just you can see for question number 11. For this one, B. New hydrocarbons. Okay, I told you about this one or not. New hydrocarbons contain tertiary. Wrong. This one is correct. So D, A false, but R is true. For question number 11. Carbon possesses properties of catenation. Yes. Characteristics of carbon. First, you can say tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent. Second, you can say catenation. Catenation, it means ability to self-linkage. Third, you can say tendency to form multiple bond. tendency to form multiple bond. 4, you know very well about this hybridization. So sp3 sp2 or sp hybridization. So these are, so here you can say carbon possess catenation, yes, ability to self linkage due to this carbon atom connect with many other carbon, so ability to self linkage. Now R is given, carbon atoms form double well as triple bonds during catenation. So here you can say yes, it can form, tendency to form multiple bond, here written tendency to form multiple bond, but R is not correct explanation of A, but R is not correct explanation of A. So which one is correct? So 411B, you can say 411B. 11B. For this one you have written, sorry, not this one, both and this one. 12, all the carbon atom S2C double bond CH2 are sp2 hybridized. They are wrong, just you can see pi sigma, this carbon is sp hybridized. In these molecules all the carbon atom are attached to each other by double bonds. Yes, this one is correct. So option number, all the carbon atoms in S2C double bond CH2 are sp2 hybridized. Incorrect, all carbon atom not. So for this one A incorrect and B correct. So which one option is? A and R are true and R is correct. No, this one also not. So next question, next option, A is false but R is true. So option D. For question number 13. So 13, which of the following possesses sp carbon in its structure? Sp carbon, just here you can see Ln B. 13B, following possesses sp carbon in its structure. So for this one I am writing only CH H double bond C double bond CH. Okay, so here sigma sigma pi sigma pi sigma sigma sigma. So for this one I can say sp. Okay, also need to check another option. So check it, because here given option B is correct, option D is correct, option C is, option A is correct. Okay, so only one option is given, so no need to check. So only B. So only B. So option A is correct. Next, isobutyl group in organic compound is here isobutyl. So which one is isobutyl? This one, isobutyl, because you know this one, this is isobutane. From here one free valency, here hydrogen 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 hydrogen. Now I told you, when one methyl group is attached to second, that is known as iso. So if I write isobutane, this one CH3 CH CH3 CH3, this is isobutane. So from here if I write like this, this is isobutyl. So option D is correct. Next, which one of the following is a cyclic alkane? cyclic alkane. Here C5H5 is given, C3H6 is given. If I write C3H6, this one, H H H H H H. So C3H6. So option C, 15. So option C, directly we can say cyclo. Next is given 16. Identify the compound in which all bond length are equal. All bond length are equal. So here you can see in benzene, all bond length are equal. In benzene, all bond length are same. So 16A. 17. How many sp2 hybridized carbon atoms and pi bonds are present in the following compound? So check it. If I write C triple bond C CO O CH3, now you can check very easily. Here pi sigma pi sigma pi sigma sigma sigma, and also here sigma 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 hydrogen. Here also pi pi pi. Also you can count sigma 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 sigma. So now you can count which one is correct option. So 17. 18. Identify the correct bond line formula for below given molecules. Bond line formula. Here carbon is given, carbon carbon, this one. Here oxygen given, carbon, double bond O, this one, this one. So now you can check this one, this one. Here oxygen, carbon, double bond. Here this one, this one. So 18. So you can check 18. So correct option C. Next question 19. The compound having only primary hydrogen atom. Only primary hydrogen atom. So now you can check only isobutene. So isobutene you can write CH. Isobutene. So here if I write CH3 CH CH3 double bond CH2, only primary hydrogen atom. So 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, this is 3 degree, but here only 1 degree hydrogen is present in isobutene. Also check for propane. CH3 C triple bond CH, this is 1 degree, 1 degree, and this is 2 degree. So only 1 degree. So option D is correct, both isobutene and propane. Here 2,3 dimethyl. If you will check, okay, because this question also explained in NEET lectures, so you can check there also. So from here I will talk in next lecture. Thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile world. From question number 20 I'll talk in next lecture. Thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile